Tired of chasing down friends and family for money? First, open your Revolut app and tap the Send button at the bottom of your screen. It's usually located in the center. Now, look for the New button. It's typically in the upper right corner of your screen. Tap it to start a new transaction. You'll see several options. Select the Request option. This tells Revolut you want to receive money, not send it. On the Request Money screen, find and tap the Create a Payment Link option. This is the key to getting paid easily. Here you can either create a general payment link or specify a specific amount. To request a set amount, enter it in the amount field and add a description if you want. Once you're happy, tap the Create Payment Link button. You can now copy the link and share it via any messaging app, email, or even social media. Anyone with the link can easily pay you, even if they don't have Revolut. The person clicking the link will be taken to a secure Revolut payment page where they can enter their card details and pay you quickly and safely. And that's it. Once they paid, you'll receive a notification in your Revolut app. Enjoy the ease of hassle-free payments.